Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm going to be talking about sending an email to more than one person, okay? And I'm going to be talking about using what we call the CC field, okay? The CC field, which is the field here. Now, before I start, I need to give you a little bit of theory. There are reasons for using the CC field. The CC field is called the carbon copy field, okay? Now, before you use the carbon copy field, certain things have to be fulfilled. Now, it says here, the carbon copy is a way of sending a message to more than one person. You might choose this option to send the message to secondary recipients. Now, in an email, there is always the primary recipient and the secondary recipient. The primary recipient is the person that you're talking to. The secondary recipient is the person that you're giving a copy of the email to, but you're not necessarily talking to them, okay? They do not really have to respond to your email. Now, if I open the email window, so if I click on new email, I have my new email window here. Let's say I'm talking to Chavez, okay? So I'm sending the email to Chavez at Crown Woods, okay? I can CC Victor into the email, so Victor at Crown Woods. Now I need to explain this. I'm talking to Chavez, but I'm CCing Victor into the email. I am giving Victor a copy of the email. I'm notifying Victor what is going on. But Chavez can reply to the email. He has to reply because I'm talking to him directly. But Victor doesn't need to reply at all. He gets a copy of the email. It is his choice whether he wants to reply or not. So Chavez and I are planning a trip to the cinema. So, dear Chavez, are we still going, bear with me, going to the cinema? Done. That's the question. Okay? Kind regards, Swag Johnson. Now, Chavez has to answer. Victor, however, who's in the CC box, does not have to answer. He's going to get a copy of the email. If he wants to participate in going to the cinema or joining Chavez and I in going to the cinema, he may respond, but he doesn't have to because he's in the CC box. He's receiving a carbon copy, okay? And that is when we use the carbon copy box, and the explanation has been put in your area as well, okay? The CC option is to send the message to a secondary person, okay? You'll probably not expect a reply, but you want them to see the message, you want them to know what is going on. And that is when you use the CC field. Thank you. Now go and answer the question.